Learn on how to generate reliable income through the expertise. 1. Becoming self-employed without wasting too much time on hard working without any result being shown. 2. Free up more time for your family members through having reliable multiple streams of incoming generating. You can set up more time for supporting children assignments, having more fun with you kids for the outdoor activities, and even have more time for yourself without worrying too much on how you will pay the next bill. 3. No hard learning or prior experience is required. Simply learning step by step the strategy which will be presented by the expertise and follow the instructions. You will be guaranteed to see the results in the income generation within a short time. 4. Remember, a change starts with you. Only when you take the appropriate actions that guided by the expertise, so you can avoid repeating any mistakes which are commonly done by the new beginners in the online digital business. 5. To learn, grasp the link here below for the free webinar to learn on how to earn 6 figures per month without any technical skills, marketing and sales experience, or without any paid ads.